how to buy MyShell AI token. So this token, as you can see, it came under the symbol of shell. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not a professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is a referral code down the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply just go to below, fund your account and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. So before going on buy this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following the updates about this token. So this token, as you can see, it's available on the screener. It's created 17 hours ago and increased by 150% in the last 24 hours. So this token, as you can see, trending number 13 on the Binance Smart Chain section. To be able to buy this token, it is and simple. Click here to copy the token address from here, as you can see. Now open your wallet. For that, you will use the Bitget wallet. Go back. Now select the BNB chain as a network. Click on this plus icon and paste the token address here. As you can see, this auto. Click on this plus icon to add it to your wallet. Now go back to your wallet and find your token. Just keep scrolling until you find it. So this is it. Click on it. Click on swap. Switch from here. From the top, select the token that you want to buy with, for example, USDT, and make sure, of course, that you have enough USDT on your wallet. Now here, type how much you want to buy. Wait a few seconds. As you can see, this is how much you receive that token. After that, click on swap here, and you will be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy Shell token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.